the quiet of your heart. When the world feels so unclear, there's a truth that whispers softly, a voice you need to hear. You're more than just a moment, more than what you've done. You're a masterpiece in the making, a beloved chosen one. Who you are to God is more than words can say. A precious child, a shining light in every single way. You're loved beyond all measure, cherished and adored. In the eyes of the Creator, you're everything and more. When you feel lost and broken, like you're stumbling through the night, remember you are treasured in His ever-watchful sight. He knows your every heartbeat, He's counted every tear, and in His arms of mercy, He holds you close and near. Who you are to God is more than words can say. A precious child, a shining light in every single way. You're loved beyond all measure, cherished and adored. In the eyes of the Creator, you're everything and more. You're the apple of His eye, the joy within His heart. He's been with you from the beginning, and He'll never be apart. No matter where you wander, no matter where you've been, you're a priceless treasure to Him, cleansed from every sin. So stand tall in His promise, let your spirit be set free. For who you are to God is who you're meant to be. A beacon of His goodness, a vessel of His grace, reflecting His great love in every step you trace. Who you are to God is more than words can say. A precious child, a shining light in every single way. You're loved beyond all measure, cherished and adored. In the eyes of the Creator, you're everything and more. So when the world tells you otherwise, remember this one truth: you are who you are to God, and that's the purest proof. In His love you're whole and perfect, just as you're designed. For who you are to God is more than you'll ever find.